Okay. Okay. Welcome to Heavy Hig Stream. All right, we're going to be finished up our Satisfactory gameplay this morning. Hopefully everybody's doing great, doing fine. We're going to get this game started up and start finally conducting the assembly line production. I need to get that started right away. Get it started right away now. Give it away now. Remember to guard your privacy against our community guidelines. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's gonna be easy enough. There's not much is happening there. I'm checking on my my metrics right now, making sure everything is in good order. We got some chat. Okay, so we'll keep the chat bar over there. Sign in to chat. Welcome to live chat. Why do I have to sign in to chat? I don't know if I want to sign into that. We're going to close that out. You'll let me know if there's anything in chat going on. YouTube chat, YouTube live control panel. All right. I think we're good to go. Get Satisfactory started up here, guys. And I'll show you what we're working with today. All right, I just had to grab my breakfast real quick. Make sure that's all good. All right, making sure everybody's doing good. Everybody's chilling. All right, I need to show y'all what we're working with. I was thinking about putting a train rail here to basically capture all the oil products that we're doing. We got into the oil products. We were making a couple of oil changes. Let me go figure out the Gigafactory. That's doing what it needs to do. Let's go figure out the Gigafactory. It's through these tubes here. We're gonna take you on a little wild ride. Take you on a little wild ride. Let's see which one goes to where I need to go. I think this one does. This one's taking me where I need to go. Super fast, super fly. And then straight down. Oh snap! Boom! Spit you out. Almost make you jump into the next one. All right, what are we doing? Oh yeah, we're creating the Gigafactory, right? So that means I need to go this way to the Gigafactory. Gonna drop us off right over here. Boom! Welcome to the Gigafactory. Gotta get rid of this guy. Probably get rid of this guy. And get rid of all these guys, actually. I don't like the way any of this looks. Get rid of that guy, get rid of this guy. All of these guys. We don't need them. Not helping us anymore. What I do want to do is throw down a couple of foundations here. I don't know if that's enough. Don't know. Let's go with this number 4. Okay. At least there, it looks like it's enough. Why can I not take this? Oh, it's just a bit of coal. I don't like how you can see that rock there. I don't like the rock, dude. Get the rock out of here. But in order to get the rock out of there, it's gonna be a little tricky. You'd have to put up some foundations. Going across. Go. Couple of foundations. And I wonder if I should put ramps here or ladders. Or That might actually work. It might actually do what I need it to do. Just basically be there looking like it looks. Is that a 4? No, that one's a 2 mil. There we go. And then another 2 mil. Perfect. Now it's like easy walk pad. Easy walk pad this way. And we got to do a couple of more easy walk pads. Grab it. All right, let's see what we got here. I need a couple of level 2s, guys. Boom. There we go. For what that guy's there for. We got to get rid of that guy. We don't need it. We don't need him. Same with these guys. We don't need those guys either. Get rid of him. Get rid of them all. We don't need them. Right. That guy needs to get out of my factory down there. Cool, cool, cool. All right, I need to grab... I've got my breakfast sitting here in front of me, so let me grab a bite out of that real quick. Grab a bite out of that real quick. Okay. Got a little breakfast burrito here. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good. Not bad. All right, all right, all right. Took a little bite. Good to go. We're gonna have to get rid of all of this stuff, though. I don't know if I can even hold all of it. There's a lot of crap here that we're gonna be getting rid of. I gotta try to think about how I'm gonna lay this system out. Take all of that, take all of that. Don't mind if I do take all of that. Okay. Gotta show you what I'm working with, so that way we can figure this thing out. Let's go with a couple of foundations, because I like to make my areas level. So maybe like right here, and those two. That way we have a nice even level pad up here. And probably need to put some ramps here. Probably like what, 4 of these guys. And we'll do the same. Do the same here. Now I think we're gonna leave that a step up. All right, what do we got in here? Nothing. Let's get rid of this guy. All right, what do we got in here? Nothing. Let's get rid of this guy. All right, what do we got in there? Tons of metal pipe. Okay. So we need to move metal piping somewhere. But first I have to figure out where I want to storage everything. We got a lot. Here, let me I thought I had a tower over here. Got a tower right there. Put another tower, I guess, right here. We have room. I think we might be able to fit a tower right there. Right here on the edge. Tower. You think it'll fit? Come on, chat. Let me know. Is it gonna fit? Oh, it doesn't want to do it. It doesn't want to do it. Dang it. All right. So what we'll have to do instead is put it on this guy right here, maybe. I don't know what I want to do. We're gonna throw a couple of foundations out. Then we can throw the lookout tower on the foundation. Okay. Now this gives us an idea of what we're gonna be looking at here once I climb this ladder. All right, let's look at it. Let's check it out. Check it out now. All right, I'm gonna take another bite of the sandwich. Man, something about these Breakfast burrito sandwiches. I just do not like the bread, the tortilla. I feel like they're always giving us this crap tortilla. It's like soft and nasty. It's no good. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to roll it up, figure it out later, because it's just so bad. Like, that's why I usually don't go to grab these breakfast burritos from anywhere. Normally the bread is just soggy. The eggs inside, they're like powdered eggs, you know, like water mixed into them. A bunch of things that I just don't like about a breakfast burrito, unless it's made like really fresh. I'm talking like so fresh that you don't even have to wrap it up. You know what I mean? Because I think that's what's ruining the tortillas, is once you wrap that thing up and it's hot and you got all these ingredients sitting there in this like aluminum foil pouch, that tortilla is obviously gonna get moisture in it and start, you know, messing itself up. This one I had, it was like soggy on the bottom, the tortilla was like, and then on the top where it's all folded together, it was like super hard, like it had been cooked too long, and the tortilla had gotten like crispy, really crispy, but like not burnt, but just hard. I was like, okay, well, this is obviously a problem with the way they're cooked inside of the aluminum foil things. People need to figure that out, because I'm tired of buying these disgusting breakfast burritos. And then we take another bite because, you know what, I'm hungry. Excuse me. Just had to get a drink of coffee. Why can't I hear the music? Is it because I'm over here by all these machines? I really don't know. I don't know why I can't hear the music. Oh, excuse me. But you can see by the assembly line that we are working with a lot of ore coming over from there. Right up over there. So I got a couple of the mist machines down here working hard. I want to get rid of them all. And we got to relocate all of this storage to figure out what we're going to do with it. I think what I want to do is move the whole platform up there a little bit. Get rid of all these conveyor belts. I want to move the platforms around a little bit. Get rid of this guy and that guy, one of those guys, a couple of these guys. Oh, not that guy. Knock all these conveyor belts out of the way. Get it all set up for doing something real serious here. I'm not even gonna be able to pick up all those materials. My goal is just to get it all out of the way right now, because this did its job for as long as it needed to. Now that we're on to bigger and better stuff, we need to find new ways to do this thing. Get rid of those 4 guys. Use all this material here. We're gonna put it in somewhere. Jump. Let's see, metal plating. So we need to throw all of our metal plating in here. Is that all we had? Nice. Here. Metal rods. Put all of our metal rods in here. Nice. Over here. Bolts. I don't think we're carrying any bolts, so we're good on that mark. And what's in this guy? Tons of metal rod. Okay. We'll have to figure out where to put those in a minute. I think this guy's full of, yeah, steel ingots. Put all the steel ingots in there. In here. Normal metal plates, bolts. Tons of bolts. What we got over here? Metal plates, right? Oh no, rotors. That's right. Alright, we'll put the rotors in there. And metal plates, yep. And I don't remember what's in here. Smart plating. Don't really need any smart plating. And the squares, we'll put squares I do have in there. Okay. Alright, now we can go through and take all of these. I hate leaving them just stranded all around the facility. Boom. Cleaning up shop. Cleaning up the shop. Nice. Alright, here's one over here too. Yeah, we're gonna be taking all this crap. All this extra leftover stuff. Wish there was a way to just like delete the box and then that way you could take all of these. Gotta manually walk up to it, click take off. Quite a few boxes here as you can see. Running through this as fast as we can. Collect everything. Come on, collect it. Are we running out of room already? I figured I could get almost all of these with just inventory that I had. That could have been wrong. Organize all of that. Starting to fill it up. Starting to fill it up with... Oh, it's full. Yep. Okay, so that means we got to go back here. Metal... Yep. Bolts. Bolts. This guy... What was up there? Rods. We have plenty of those. Alright, and then... What was over here? The metal plates, right? The rotors. I don't think I have any of those. And advanced metal plating. Which I didn't grab any of those. Okay. I remember where most of this stuff's at. Like that was bolts. These are the ingots. Yeah, so we need to put some in there. Is that all I got? No, I had two more. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's keep on grabbing these things. Because we need them out of the way so we can start building our mega factory. Mega facility. We gotta build it bigger and bigger and better. Alright, come on. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. This is like one of the tedious parts, is like having to clean up after your beans. I already fill up my inventory again? Dang it. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out a better way to do this. Figure it out for sure. Click on that. I'm probably gonna delete the ore. I don't even need that stuff. Oh yeah, that's our space thing. So we've been able to build this thing slowly, piece by piece by piece, and it's gotten pretty big and pretty large. And that's why we're also making this big mega factory, so that way we can get it to produce all these machines all have to produce, and like they have to do it in a good rate. Like, what do you call it? Efficient. They have to do it all efficiently, so that way they're, you know, using the supply that they have, but not, you know, not waiting or wasting anything. I'll show you what we're talking about that here in a little bit later. We got a lot of those, and not much everything else. What else do we need to grab here? Bolts. I don't think we have bolts in. No, but we definitely have some of these, which is the metal pipe. We definitely have metal pipes. All right, freeing up a lot of inventory, as you can check out there. Still a lot of stuff over there to clean up. I'm just trying to get all these junk boxes right now. Take it, take it, take it. Yep, 15. 16. Just a bunch of different ores. What do we got here? I need to delete this guy. And I need to delete this guy. And I also need to change where my chat is at. Let me change. We're gonna put chat over here. And maybe put this over here. Kind of moving things around a little bit. Give me a second. Excellent, excellent stream. All right. Let's see. Resume game. Nice. Can I don't think I can make the chat from here. I mean, I probably could if I figured it out, but with the plugins on my recording software, I don't think I can actually type into chat right this second. I was gonna test it out, make sure chat was connected. This is a new software for YouTube, so we're trying a different software for YouTube than what we were using for Twitch, and see how well it works out. If we see if it does better, see if it does worse, we'll figure it out. All right, we're looking good here. We're looking good here, guys. Get rid of all of this because this is junk, and then let's empty our inventory. So I think we're gonna be getting full here in a second. Get rid of all of this junk. Yep. Because we're gonna be moving it up a little bit, a little closer over there. Okay. Now you'll be able to see what I'm talking about when I climb up this thing. I got a jetpack. See if I can jetpack the whole way. Oh no, can't jetpack. I ran out of fuel. All right, so we've got that little small section here, which is where I had all this stuff producing before, and I want to bump it up. See how the ground is unlevel over there? So I actually want to bump it up a bit to cover up that ground. Let me see if it'll do what I want it to do. Basically, attach to the floor right there. Perfect. All right, 2 of those guys. 3 of those guys. Or 4, my bad. Same there, 4 of those guys. I want to do the same thing here. 4 of those guys. Then maybe a 2 mil raised foundation here. What it looks like I had to do on that side. So we'll go 2 mil raised foundation the whole way. There. And same there. Alright, what I'm trying to do is make everything level enough to get it to work properly. So, do I need more there? Probably. I think I do. To make all that consistent. Interesting if I want to make it consistent, because I might make that a whole separate little facility over there. It's so tempting, but I guess we can start what we do know. Start on what we do know, and that would be getting a tower power over here. Power of tower, which I think that one's maxed. Yeah, I think that one's maxed, which is bad. But we'll produce this guy right here. Pretty good spot for it. And then we got to connect it to the main power grid, which I think that guy. Oh, it wasn't maxed. Interesting. I was sworn that it was. All right. Well, now it's maxed out, and it's got one going that way. This one. So we need to power all these machines with this power line that we're gonna be running here. I want to put it right there. Delete this guy. We're gonna delete all these old ones that are in the ground. Kind of messed up a little bit right there. Delete, delete, delete. And then we're gonna be placing a bunch of machines right through here for a huge assembly line, like a huge smelting kind of like assembly line that's gonna be working. Get rid of all that crap because that's all junk. We don't need it. But we do need Logistics, optimizations, productions. Go industrial storage. Go, how many of these do we want? So we have 3 independent lines. So I guess we're gonna need 3 independent storage facilities, huh? Like the way that sounds. Got 1 there. Guess we'll go there. Whoa, 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 easy. Take it easy. A little bit, just a tiny hair. There we go. Is that where I want to put it? Put it in line with the guy. Yeah, right there. Close? Yeah. Alright, and then the third one for the 3rd assembly line. We've got to put it in line. There's a little marker that like shows you see that blue line, that faint blue line that shows you that we're in line perfectly. And I'm gonna put them 1 spot closer to each other. Or I will, I'll put it right there. At least I know it's level. Okay. Got that guy. Logistics. Splitters, right? We need a bunch of splitters. Bear splitter. Oh, see, that's probably why I should have had them a little further from each other, because I'm going to be splitting these guys off pretty heavily. Tell you what, this guy, this assembly line, power these 3 guys. And I'll have these 2 assembly lines powering like 6 laid out here. Or maybe, yeah, some laid out there too. So in order to make that happen, you need to bump this up a little bit. So we need to delete those guys actually. Get out of here. Hopefully I have enough room to save those materials. Get out of here. And that little right there. Yep. And delete that. Okay, now we have enough room to put the splitter. It's going to be directly from this guy. Put 2 of them. Gotta think ahead. We've been running into problems. And then since we're going to be powering a couple of those guys, boom, with our fastest assembly line there. All right, let's see. What else do we need to grab? Another couple splitters. Yeah, because we're going to be doing splitters on these guys. Yep. Bear splitter. Splitter right there. Because we're going to be splitting that guy into, what do you think, like 2 or 3s? In order to have enough room, that we need to hook this dude up right here, I think. Because we're going to have this guy right here splitting as well. We don't want those guys interacting with each other. So yeah, let's just do 2 on this guy. I think this is going to work really well. I'll show you what I mean. We're going to do 2 on that guy. And so we're going to be able to carry this conveyor belt. Oh, it doesn't work. It's in the red. In the red. Which means the angle is way too far off. Alright. They're like, no, we gotta be a lot closer than that. I'm like, dang it. Let's go with the conveyor splitter. Let's go. And then, okay, so that's perfectly in line. You see that faint little green line connecting them? So we know that's gonna perfectly line up there. I might as well put that connector close. Okay, so, and then connect it. Connector belt 3. Connect it into that guy. Alright, perfect. I connected on the bottom, which means I'm gonna connect this guy to the top. Let's go. We need more of those splitters. We're thinking logically here, okay? We're thinking very logically. If I go too far, it's not gonna work right. Alright, that should be enough room. Bear splitter right there. Still perfectly in line. Organization splitters. Bear belt Mark 3. That guy's on the bottom. We'll make this guy on the top. Right? Right? Boom. So those guys are going to be feeding into these storage containers. and then splitting out into like a whole massive amount of smithing iron machines. But till that happens, let's get these guys collecting the storage here. We got 3 massive lines. These are gonna be awesome. I think these are already conveyor belt level 2s. So the tallest guy goes there. The second tallest guy goes there. And the tallest guy goes right into there. Oh, I'm missing smart metal. Okay, that's an easy fix. Let's see, that's conveyor belt. I need, okay, so just delete a couple conveyor belts. That'll give me the material that I need. This guy, that guy. All 3 of these guys, because we're not going to be doing any of this situation. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. We're changing it all up. Okay, that'll give us plenty of conveyor belt material. Conveyor belt Mark II, which we're going to probably change this to conveyor belt Mark III here in a minute, but we don't need to. Okay, now there's storage. Now they're getting storage. And I can already tell you that the power facility for this guy is not working. So we're probably going to need to go and fix that. Can we fix it right now? Yeah. Let's go ahead and fix that right now, guys. Let's go ahead and run down here. And, let me see, do I have enough room? I do have enough room. Yeah, let's run down here and give this power supply a little help. I love this jetpack, guys. This jetpack is something else. It saves so much time. And then there's a trick on these conveyor belts. If you run on this edge part, this metal edge, instead of running in the middle of the conveyor belt, you can actually run a lot faster along the conveyor belts. I think it has something to do with the middle of the conveyor belts are moving in the opposite direction. So it's like slowing you down, it's pulling you in the other way. And we're gonna jump on top of here. I love how I built this so cleanly. You just got 3 stacks of, you know, what are these, belts? I forget what they're called. Oh no, I fell off. Well, right now they're level 2 belts. Climbing the ladder, climbing it up, put it up. Nice. I'm amazed that the power system still works here. Let's see, level 1 miner. Level 1 miner. Level 1 miner. Alright, we're gonna upgrade those to level 2s. And then let's see. It looks like it's got plenty of storage for the power. Oh, it's only being powered by 1 guy? That's why it's lasting so long. If I upgrade them to a level 2 miner, what's gonna happen? Go to production. Miner 2. Oh, I'm missing some of the metal squares. I wonder if I can make that real quick. Go into this equipment workshop here. We're gonna place this guy down here. Probably like way down here. Nice. And we would need to make... Dang, I chose the wrong item. We need this crafting bench, not that equipment workshop. I like the way that fits right there. Let me see. This modular frames. Oh no, space and oh, interesting. Yeah, well, we needed. Let me go back to production. Oh, and then we also needed the portable miners, and we needed 10 of those guys. So let's go with a little deletion method. Get rid of this ore that we're not caring about, and let's start this guy because it can make 5 of them, I believe. Oh no, 2 of them, and then we're gonna have to make more of else. It looks like it's gonna be, oh no, the metal iron rod. We're gonna need to make a lot of iron rod, convert it. So we're basically just gonna hand do this real quick. We gotta make this happen for the iron rods. Almost there. All right, that's gonna be plenty. Modular frame, right? That's what we needed. Oh, we need more of these iron plates. Just take a second. just take a quick little second to be able to get this guy a miner level 2. Click, 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 click. All right, that's enough of that. All right, generate me a couple of frames here. Some of these modular frames. I'm looking at my inventory. We've got 11 of those tickets for those shops. So we need to figure out. I bet you there's more of those in the ticket machine. So we need to go back to the ticket machine and figure out if we can do that. All right, that's gonna be exactly what I needed, right? Oh, a portable miner. Yeah, yeah. Whoops, whoops. Go. I think portable miner is made in here. I have just enough materials to make 2 of them. That's awesome. All right, nice. So then we would convert this guy, which would be the lowest of the totem poles, I believe. I believe that's how it works. Conveyor belt Mark 1. Logistics conveyor belt Mark 2. But we don't have enough materials, I don't think. We need more smart metal plating. Also, how's the power grid doing now? Uh-oh, 33. Yep, we're gonna need another one. Gonna need another biomass burner. Right here. I want to let me. Oh, dang it! I need metal rod. See what I'm saying? How frustrating this is? You've got to have like the perfect amount of material, like, and you're talking about 5 or 6 different 7 materials. But at least we had it on us. At least we had it on us. All right, that's gonna work. Let's throw down the biomass. Actually, I had one before, I guess, right here. No, that won't work. Guess we'll just have to do it right there, and then put a normal conveyor belt into it. I'm trying to get it to like put it there. All right. We need a power. We gotta put it on the same power system. So can you show me where the power line's at? Thank you, bud. That one empty? Yeah, perfect. And then we are going to fill it up because we've got enough biofuel to do that. That one's full, that one's full. These guys are doing what they need to do. What is it doing? Converting wood? I don't have any wood, but I have some biomass. Thing's full of biomass. This thing's got 22 pieces of wood left. I can't even put my biomass into it. Okay. All right, cool. Cool beans. Nice. All right, things are gonna work perfectly right here for a while. But I need these smart metal plates, these reinforced ones. I need a bunch of these guys to build that conveyor belt faster. So the thing is, let's talk about it real quick. While this is doing its thing, let's talk about it. It's taken me a while to remember or figure out that these machines are number based. So you're talking about production numbers, and you're talking about how fast the conveyor belts move and all this kind of stuff. So the level 1 miner does 60 pieces a minute. So the conveyor belt does 60 pieces in a minute, right? Cool. The level 2 conveyor belt does 120. Okay, it doubles the standard. And then the level 2 miner over here does 120. So if you've got level 2 miner, which is doing 120, but this one says 240. This thing's pumping it out, dude. I need to try to upgrade it. And then so you have to have a belt fast enough to do what it needs to do. And we're gonna, yeah, this should be a lot faster then. But the problem is, it's going to take a lot of resources to get it done. And I don't have enough resources to do it. I don't have enough resources on me to do it. But now that everything's running properly and I know that thing's ready to go. Is it the bottommost layer? I think it's the second most. Yeah, right through here it's the second. And then... So we're talking about middle layer. The middle layer is going to be producing that 120. And this is such a far distance that it honestly might be beneficial for me to try to build a train station, like a train car. Like this would be the perfect place to build that train car, if you know what I mean. Have a freaking train station coming through here to move all this iron ore for us, because it's taking it all back here to this factory so we can produce it into what we need for this giant space thing. Yeah, it does look like to be the middle one. Nice, nice. So I think I have a storage of those guys over here. I think I do. I think I pretty much I do. I know I do. Right here. Yeah, big storage. We're just gonna take a bunch of those because that's all we need to make these produce some more. But honestly, I need to think about this. I need to think about it because I could do a couple of things. I can keep the conveyor belts, which is working. It's giving me a nice production. Or transports up to 270 resources per minute used to move resources between buildings. So that's not going to be enough to keep up with the demand I think we're going to be doing. And you're talking about 3 machines up there. So the next idea is you can do a tractor, which only has 25 inventory slots. Well, I say only, but each one of those is 100, so that's 25,000 pieces that you can move at any one point. But it's not going to be as fast, I don't think, as this electric freight car locomotive, but you can put multiple freights behind it. Like, that sounds awesome. But the problem that comes with this is it's a ton of materials, man. Like, you're talking about a ton of materials. Train station, freight car, electric locomotive, freight platforms, loads and unloads, freight cars that stop at the platform. Oh, for a fluid freight, loading and unloading. This one's freight cars stop at freight platforms. Train stations serve as a hub for locomotives, which can be set to navigate to and stop at a train station. You can connect power to a train station to power up the trains. Interesting. Yeah, so we got electric locomotive. Connect all these, which I might do that. Save us a ton of resources on the metal plating. But we can do that after we get everything working right. Logistics, no, not Mark 3, Mark 2. It was the middle one, right? Right, guys? Good chat. Yeah, do you remember? Was it the middle one? Well, we're gonna choose the middle one and basically just convert it to level 2 all the way down. See how this works. Alright, we're making good progress with it now. I'm gonna be upset if it's not that one, chat. All good resources going into this assembly line. But at least if it's not the middle one, then I can... Dang it, this was the top one, chat! Alright, we're changing it. We're changing it. That's it. That's it. We're changing the top one to the one that's going to be producing the most. Alright. Oh, snap. Snap. No, no, careful there. Yeah, we're running short on materials. We better hope we can make it. Alright, we got this. We got this. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. So all the way up till the top of there, it's perfect speed. Okay. So basically all we need to do is convert this to that. Let's see, conveyor belt Mark II, right? Or maybe we should go Mark III. 270 resources per minute, which this thing is surprisingly putting it out. 240. So that only does 120. So yeah, we'll try to do as far as we can with this guy. Mark III. We'll put this guy in Mark II. Which is connecting way over here for some reason. Alright, it kind of works. Kind of works. Alright, well, at least we know it's doing what it needs to do there. And that's producing a lot of ore. See if we can just convert it all the way up, down. I don't know what's happening to all the resources we put into the old one. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna keep doing that because that's a lot of resources wasted for no reason. But what I could do is basically make the train station right here. Yeah, I could do that. Let's see, foundations, right? Because then the train would need to go. Look at that, you can see my truck down there. Yeah, if you watch the truck, and you can see these power lines right up there on that hill. That's the oil reservoir I have over there. And it also has a oil powered generator. So really nice. But we've got this guy over here going crazy with the materials. I'm thinking I might need a train station down here. I think a train could even go in that direction. I bet it could go down there and then hit down that. I bet it could. I really do. So why don't we do a train station like right here then? That's what we're gonna try to do. I like it. I like it. A small little train station right here. With this guy going this way. Couple more. Couple this way. And then I don't know. I know we're gonna be putting storage bins right here for that. Go logistics. No, it was an organization, wasn't it? Yeah. Industrial storage. There we go. How many of these we want? 3? Yeah. Alright, alright. So the top guy's our bad boy. Get rid of that guy. And that guy. And we'll connect it to Mark III. Connect it to that. Alright, now we know that guy's a badass. Pretty sure those are all Mark III. Yeah, Mark III, Mark III, Mark III, Mark III, Mark III. And this guy doesn't show you the flow rate. Interesting. So it's going to be filling this dude up. Those guys are moving pretty slow. Even though I think this middle guy is Mark II. Mark I, Mark I. Interesting, they're Mark Is. I knew at least one of them was Mark II, right? No, just the top one then, huh? Alright, well, let's get rid of them. They're going to be stacking into here now. Conveyor belts, we'll do Mark IIs on these guys. And then seriously, yeah, they're marked just Mark 1s all the way down, huh? Wild. Mark 1, Mark 1. The top one's not. Mark 3, Mark 1, Mark 1. Alright, yeah, I guess we're just gonna leave them as a Mark 1 right now because that's all they're producing as well. They're not upgraded to produce any more than that. Pretty sure. Go check it out real quick. You can see how fast that top one's moving though, boy. That thing is not playing around. Oh, and trying to run on it is impossible. Interesting, interesting. That's actually a Mark 2 right there. So there is a Mark 2, the middle one. Mark 1's Mark 1. So the Mark 1 can move like what? 60, I think? This thing's 120. Interesting. Yeah, so they're producing more than what I thought they were producing. This thing also 120? Yeah. Alright, well, let's bump them up then. Can't be having them underproducing, you know what I mean? We're over here trying to make a gigafactory, guys. Huge gigafactory. Just don't fall off the cliff here. I think that guy's already a level 2. So then we're good on those guys now. Level 2, boom, level 2, level 2. And then I think I already set these guys to level 2s, didn't I? Did. And that one's a level 3 up on top. Alright, look how much faster they're moving. Boom. Not as fast as the top one, but they're moving fast enough for the machines that are generating it. I like it. I like it a lot. Now we'll be able to delete these stupid assembly lines. And then start thinking about a transport. Freight car, train station, freight loads and unloads. I'm interested to know how big it is. Wow, dude. Look at the size of that thing, man. That's no joke. That is no joke of a platform, man. That thing is huge. What the heck? What about a normal train station? Oh wow, normal train station is still pretty huge. All right, well, how do we do railway? Oh dang. So can the railway? Okay, yeah, you can rotate the railway, and then oh, interesting. Interesting. So then you make it go where you want it. Put it up on some foundations. Can you? No, you can't. No lifting it. It's basically wherever it sits, it sits. So you'd have to create like a platform for it to travel on. Dang, that's wild. That's wild. I don't know if it's gonna be more beneficiary for me to try to put this guy down, because I'd have to go get more concrete, or for me to just connect it to those guys for now. Well, those guys are just simply not gonna keep up. 100%, I can tell you that much. They're not gonna keep up, and I need concrete and some of the metal. The concrete, the square. Okay, let's go get that. Go get that metal, concrete, square tubing. I'm talking about iron. So we'll get the iron, some other stuff. Concrete, square tubing, or the square reinforcement. Don't let me forget that. All right, chat. We need the concrete, the iron. Both pieces iron, and the other one. Nice. Yeah, this thing's gonna be sick, dude. This thing's gonna be really sick. Have a whole ass train coming through here, loading and unloading all this stuff. Alright, there's the square. I see that. That's first stop, number 1. Alright, how many do you need? That guy doesn't need any. That guy doesn't need any. The locomotive needs 5. Okay. What about the freight car? Freight car needs 5 as well. So 50 ought to do, is what I'm hearing. And then I need to get rid of some junk that I'm carrying for no reason. Why am I carrying those? Get rid of that. Also get rid of that. Get rid of the coal. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. We'll sort everything. So we've got 50. Do another 50. There we go. Delete that. Bolts. Not sure why I'd need bolts. Oh, get rid of that. So we're okay. So now we need more concrete. Let's go find it. Go find the more concrete. I need more metal plates too. Can't remember where that's at though. And then I need more iron. I'll have the concrete stored right down here. Look at this tube. Wop, 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 wop. That's crazy. All right, concrete. And then now we need to know how much concrete did we need though. That takes 10. That takes 10. Okay, we should be good with that. Does look like we need a motor. Oh well, we have enough, I guess, for just one. Moves freight cars, requires 25 to 100 power to move, must be built on a railway. Nickname Leaf by the Pioneers. Okay, so now we need some metal. I know exactly where these metals are at. Oh, and we need some normal concrete. So we're gonna take 400 of that, and then we got normal concrete down here. We're gonna take 1,000 pieces of normal concrete. And the last thing we need, chat, the last thing y'all remember was the other iron piping that's right here. See, I love having all this already produced. You know what I mean? Like, I have it ready to go. Metal plating, little different story. Let's see, where's my metal plating? Oh, I do have tons of metal plating. See? Love it. I love it. Boom, right here. Metal plating out the wazoo. Build that up. All right, we got concrete, we got that, we got metal. We can probably get a couple more motors if we want, you know what I'm saying? A couple more. Just like all the motors that we have currently. We used up all those motors? Wow. I had tons of motors, chat. I had tons of motors. All right, let's make our move. This is gonna be sick. We're creating a railway. I didn't think we were gonna be creating a railway this early in the game, but it looks like we need one for the movement of all this stuff. I'm not about to be running lines all through here. It's not about to be happening. But in order for the railway to work, it's gonna have to be able to feed these guys and then travel all the way up here. Is this a good spot for the railway? Trying to figure that out. I think it really could be. Interesting. Foundations. Good thing I got a lot of foundation, huh? Stretch that out there. Stretch that out there. Stretch that out there. How close are we getting? I think it could probably clear those ones. We set the train station up right here. And then easily we can get those guys to roam in. Interesting. Yeah, let me load up this train station so that way I can see what it's gonna look like. Let's see, where's it at? Transport, freight platform. Damn. I'm like still surprised at how large it is. It's gonna have to be right here. But it needs to be on level ground, huh? That ground is not level right here. I think that's the max that I want to make it to, the height anyway. Foundations. A couple of these guys. Alright, that's golden. That ought to be perfect for it. That really ought to be perfect for it. Freight station, right? Must be in place in line with another train platform. Must be placed in line with another train platform. Creates empty space where needed. Huh. Must be placed in line with another train platform. Platform with some walking, railway. Maybe that's what they mean, is it's got to be placed in line with this railway. Alright, where are we going to take the railway? We're going to take it this way, obviously, right? So it's got to start, like, what do you think, right here? Start right there, and then travel over here. Go across, oh snap, go across that. I wish you could raise it up somehow. Rotate, hologram, no. Simple build. Oh yeah, you can delete it. Alright, let's go with foundations, right? Just have to build a couple of foundations for it. No big deal. And then it'll go across there. Connect to a few more foundations. Go with the level 4 foundation connector. Oh, whoops! I actually wanted it right there. Why did it glitch out on me? Lower it a little bit, a little lower. Perfect. All right, I like that. All right, so now we should be able to do railway. We want to connect it from like right here, right? To send the railway out that way, right? Yep, and then this is gonna go right across there. Then it's got to go right across here. What are we working with here? Give me 1 second. Going, yeah, it's got to go right up this way. 100%, it's got to. But I need to put a little foundation right here, though. Cover up this rock. Make sure the train stays above it. All right, transportation. This is getting exciting. All right, railway. Where's the old railway? Right there, right? No, that's not it. Can't even see because that dang tree's in the way. It's right there. We need it to go like way over this way, right? Yeah, like line it up like right here. And send it on its way to over here somewhere. We'll have to figure this out. Well. So we want it to go up into the train station right up in there. That's gonna need another foundation. Another 3 or 4 foundations. Nice. And then delete these guys. Probably use the resources from those. Get rid of it. Get it out of my way. This train's gonna be kind of wide too. So we gotta make sure we provide enough space for this train to come barreling through here. Is that where I wanted it, right? On that guy? Let's see, overlapping, flipping. Okay. Alright. Still trying to figure out how to build the platform. Go with a couple of these guys. Yeah, because that platform is huge. Let's see, my bad. Had to go check on that. Alright. Things are looking a lot better now. Things are looking a lot better. Let me just get positioned in my seat again. What else we got? We gotta figure out where to put that train station, guys. That thing's so, like, massively large that I'm intimidated by it. Okay. Starting to lay down a few foundation pieces. Starting to make some sense here. Four, five. And then this will be hanging over the edge. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Transportation. Loads and unloads. Yep. Yeah, and it'd be facing this way, just like that. Must be placed in line with another train platform. I think what that means is like in line with this guy, right? Or in line with that guy? No? Is that not correct? That doesn't seem to be correcting itself. What do I need to correct it? In line with another train platform. Train station. So it has to be a train station and a train platform? Empty platform, right? Must be placed in line with another train platform. Empty platform with stairs must be placed in line with another train platform. Railway. So literally, yeah, it just has to be a train station. Wow. Didn't think it had to be a train station. But yeah, it kind of works. Oh, and it has to be perfectly square? You guys kidding me? Perfectly square? Snake the train around here a little bit. That's one hell of a station, dude. One hell of a station. Let me get rid of all this out of my way, because this isn't gonna work. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Take it out. See that monster up there? That thing's wild. Yeah, we're getting rid of all of this. I know what we have to do now. I didn't think it was going to take up that much room to make a train station, but it really does. It really, really does. Okay. We got those crazy dudes. All right. Foundations. Throw us a couple of 4 mils down. They got this music doing some weird styrofoam stuff. Alright. That guy's stretched out there. Probably gonna need another one right here, honestly. Alright, got that guy stretched out there. Now then, give me a little bit of oh, no. There we go. Now I can actually see what we're talking about here. Now, what are we talking about when you say that you need the train station and the freight platform? Like, what are you talking about exactly? Does this only lead one way? No way. It's got to go both ways, right? Like what? I place that there, and then I place a freight platform. Interesting. And it can pass through the freight platform, right? Yeah. Go down to any other place that I wanted it to go to. But for now, this is probably just gonna be the only thing that I need it to do. Can I even connect these two? I think it's too crazy of an angle. Yeah. Not something I want to do. Get rid of all of that. Railway. Interesting. Interesting. I don't want to build another one. Foundation. Not another, probably just another empty one. One, two, three, four, five. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, and I think we need one more. All right, and then I'm gonna jump up here so I can get a kind of a look to see what we're even building. Transport, freight, empty with the platform. Something like that, right? Kind of like the way that looks. Power needs to have power. Power line. Don't I have a giant power connector up here somewhere? Oh, I guess I don't. Probably gonna need one. Which I have the ability to put one. Let's go. Put it right here. I think it's probably the best place for it. Something like that. Yeah, that'll work. All right, and then we need to give ourselves some power lines here. I'm gonna connect these in series. I saw you. Get out of here. Couple more. Makes it easier to connect everything. Doesn't this need connection? Maybe okay. So like you can't power it directly because it has to be connected to like a power grid. Power the locomotive and everything. All right. Logistics. Conveyor belt Mark III. We need some going in. We need 2 of them, huh? There we go. So now to get all the ore that it has. Ore. All right, we're making progress here, guys. We're making some progress. All right. Where's that railway? Yeah, you can see the old one down there. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to go down there, as not it's too far away. Okay, got it there. Will it connect to there? No. Too far away. Gotcha. But it'll connect to here, so I need to build a platform here. Let's see, what are we working with? We need a platform right... Oh, easy. We need a platform right here. That way it lifts it up enough to do what it needs to. Oh, I can't cover that up. That's a special kind of rock. That's something we'll have to use or blow up later. That means the train would have to go... Yeah, this is something I gotta blow up later. Okay. It's gonna be a little tricky then. Maybe I just Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Can't even place it nearby. Wow. Unfortunate. What am I gonna do? What am I do? I think I'm just gonna go around it right here. There we go. Kind of did what I wanted to. Didn't really need its help. Transportation, railway. Going from that railway to this railway. Come on. Come on. I can see you're not even really on. Alright, and it's got to go right up into there. So no funny business. It won't even let it go on top of this. That's so weird. That's so weird. Meaning it'd have to go like all the way out here. And then like swerve around. Alright, yeah, that's what's gonna have to happen, I guess. Since that damn rock's in the way, I'm gonna have to get it to come in at like an angle way over here. Dang it. If it's not something, it's another. You know, something or another. Alright, let's go foundation here. Foundation up here. Foundation. So it'd come in this way, do a kind of a curve, go in that way. See if I can get it to do that. Getting rid of this guy in hopes that I can get it to go over there. Alright, we're gonna get some good progress here. Let's see, connect it to my previous railway. It's probably too close to the rock. It's saying the track is too long. Track is too long. I know what to do. I know what to do. First of all, get it away from that rock, because that's not going to be a good thing. That thing starts clipping. Foundations. Well, it's important to have a bunch of foundations. Alright. Take it easy there. We're gonna be heading in that direction right there. Basically, get rid of this tree. Alright. Alright, we're making it happen, Captain. Get rid of this guy. Transportation, railway. Get that guy to go over this way. Oh yeah, so I messed it up somewhere along the way. Okay. Yeah. Let her go away. We're gonna start it right here. If we can't stretch it all the way over there. Railway's too steep. It's a good thing I'm not trying to make it up that. Track's too long. Oh, so I can only make it like this far. Okay. Okay, so we'll do a foundation. Just like this guy, but just over there. In line with that. 1, 2, and 3. I'll also be getting rid of this guy. Let's go railway. To like right here, right? like right here, right? Getting close, getting close. At least that's on there now. Gotta get rid of these because I can't even see what I'm working on. Nice. Climbing, climbing, I'm climbing. All right, this is definitely gonna work now. You got that guy there. Swinging into way too much of a curve. Why is it trying to curve so much? Dang it. I need to fix it. It's trying to curve way too much. Which means this thing needs to be further this way, I think. All right, this should work now. Because we need this to go up and almost line in perfectly with that guy. Why is it still trying to curve? Snap mode, sample build mode. Interesting, yeah, it's still trying to curve a little bit. Okay, that's a railway. Goes here, has to make a left so that way it can make a big right. You don't get your tree ass out of here. Alright, now I can delete a lot of these platforms that are not needed. This one. This one. And this one. One of these is needed. Give me back my materials. This is not needed. So it's kind of like these three are needed. So we'll build, let me see, we'll build a foundation underneath them to give them a good look, you know what I mean? Make them look like they're actually there being supported by something. One of the power grids have shut down. No. No, not my power grid. We'll go see what it looks like. Which one of the power grids shut down? I don't think it was the big bad boy. No, big bad boy's still up. Yeah, look at this, chat. We're making 1250 megawatts of power, and we have like probably 200 watts and what is it in here? Just 100 megawatts. Hey, 100 megawatts is better than nothing. But yeah, so that's not going anywhere. So the power grid that shut down must have been the one up there, you think? No, because we fully loaded that one, so It's got to be. Oh man, the fog is messing up really bad. I think I know which power grid it is. I think I do. I'm pretty sure 100% I do. But we're not worried about it. So let's go with moves freight car from station to station. Interesting. So I wonder, do I need 2 of them or 1 of them? Can it go backwards? I really don't know. But we got one. Take a look at this bad boy here. Dang, dude, look at this thing. Oh, I can drive it? Oh, that's awesome. I can drive it right off the rails, I think. Oh, that's awesome. How do I go backwards? Oh, you can go backwards. Chat, look at that. Then you can go forwards. Alright, yeah, we're about to put up a whole lot of train cars behind this thing. A whole lot of train cars. Alright, freight car. Boom. Yeah, we're gonna go with 2 of them to start with. And then this holds stuff, right? This is a loading mechanism. Alright, so it needs to be loading. How do I... Guess I need this to go a little bit further. I'm not sure. Man, that fog is really messing me up though. It looks so bad. Railway. There. It should be enough railway to at least get this thing out to where it needs to be at. Which I think it needs to be right here in order to like load or whatever. Open train menu. Interesting. Timetables, no stops, and the timeline. Train 25. Turn on self-driving. Edit timeables. Brakes, the space bar. Switch. Interactive path AMD. Forward, reverse. Interesting. I'm just trying to figure out how to load this guy up. I think I need to leave and come back. It like stopped me. That's cool. Cause I forgot. I almost went off the track, dude. It stopped me, but I almost went off the track. Boom, and then it just stops me. Interesting, interesting. How do I load? Do I gotta be like the perfect angle of this or what? How do I load it and unload it? Give me that option. Where's it at? Alright, I gotta figure out how to load this thing up. Interact with freight car. Take all, right? Huh. Do I have to put those storage containers on here? Is that what I have to do? Those industrial storage containers. Anybody in chat know what I have to do? Let me see here. Transportation. Freight car. Attached to an A locomotive or other freight car must be built on a railway. Resources are loaded and unloaded at freight platforms, depending on whether the resource is liquid or solid. Yeah, but mine don't look like that. Yours has stuff on top of it. Mine doesn't have no stuff. Why doesn't mine have stuff? Load. Yeah, load this stuff onto outgoing storage rates. Okay. What's the deal here? Got power, right? Freight platform. Loads and unloads freight cars that stop at the freight platform. Loading and unloading options can be set by configuring the building. Snaps to platforms needs to be connected to a powered railway to function. Okay, well, I connected it to a power, don't I? Creates empty space where necessary. Empty space. To drive the electric locomotive. Interact with the freight car. Got forward, reverse. Got plenty to load onto it. I don't know why it won't let me. Loads and unloads freight cars that stop at the platform. Freight car. Electric locomotive. I don't know, Chad. What's going on here? Freight platform. Train station. Saves as a hub for locomotive can be set to navigate to and stop at a train station. You can connect to power trains at railways west, feed power to other things. Okay. Train station timetable. Trains, stations, Vos. Okay. Still don't know what I'm doing here. Empty platform. Guess we'll just do one of those, guys. Train station. Build a locomotive. And then I guess we'll build this a freight platform. No wait, freight car, my bad. Yeah, theirs looks different than mine looks. Organization. Storage container. Invalid aim. Production. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, I'm back, chat. I was trying to figure out how to get this thing to work, and I think I have an idea. But they have to be facing the right way. And I think I do have it facing the right way. So we're gonna check it out. Let me see. Freight platform, right? Huh. Yeah, it doesn't look like it should matter. Train station. Maybe the train station's got to be on the other side of it. I don't know. Let's see. They said you got to line it up like perfect. We're gonna take it real slow. Stop. I'm gonna take it real slow. I'm gonna stop. And we're gonna take it real slow and then stop. Take it real slow and then stop. They said that a pop-up should come up saying to load it, just like at the other trucks. Oh, I don't know. Forward. Is that it? Come on, load it. Come on, do it. You could load it up. You can do it. I believe in you. No, it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. Alright, well, we'll figure it out here in a minute. We'll take this thing down to the other end. Brake! Stop the brakes! Boom, I'm dead. That's how we died. Chat. Alright. Right about here. And then now we've got a chance to build it over here as well. A train station type thing. Loads and unloads freight cars stopped at a freight platform, train station. Interesting. So yeah, the train station's got to be facing the right way. As you can see, gotta go this way, I guess, to be outwards. And then freight platform. Oh, I didn't mean for that to be up that high. Train station. Surface is too uneven. What are you talking about? Come on, I know the surface is good. Gotta find that right spot for it. Come on. What are you talking about? Surface too uneven. I think it's missing just one block here. Foundations. Alright, put the block there. Pretty sure that's all it needed. Alright, now let's do the transportation again. Train station. Yeah, so it just needed that one more block. Go. Like that. Freight platform, right? like that, and then we'll go maybe an empty platform. Or no, wait, maybe another freight. I don't know. We'll just throw an empty platform on there for now. All right. We should be able to connect these two. Well, first I gotta connect it to a power grid. Which will be this guy right here. Then let's go. Where's it at? Railway right here? Dang it, it doesn't like it. It's like, nope, too tight, too narrow. Let's go railway. Whoops, didn't mean to click it like that. Track's too long. Are you guys kidding me? You're starting to play jokes. What it feels like. Feels like they're all starting to play jokes on you. Okay, this should work. This should work. Overlapping the clearance of another object. What are you talking about? Turns too sharply. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. That's what we needed to know. Okay, well, let's see. Railway. Let's see what's the sharpest you can get this thing coming out of there. Too sharp. That got deleted. Get this guy rotating in through here, I think. Alright, got that guy in there. We're gonna do a little test here, see what this thing does. We're gonna tell it to load it up, basically. Yeah, being told to load. And then organization, conveyor belt 2. Wait, that was the wrong one. Oh wait, no, I got it right. All right, so it's gonna load some of these things real quick. That way I can see if the freight car thing actually works now. Now that I changed the direction of where that was going, so I changed it to where it's facing towards this thing. We're gonna see if that works at all. Why isn't it going into storage? Configure the freight platform. Huh. Well then. Where's the freight platform? Freight car. Attaches to electric or other freight cars must be built on a railway. Resources are loaded and unloaded at freight platforms. Freight platform. That's the freight right there, right? Why isn't it loading? This kind of stuff that kind of confuses you. You're like, what is actually going on here? That's the stuff should be coming in. Can it not move that item? I don't know. I don't think it can. Not seem to be working the way I wanted it to work. Does not seem to work the way I wanted it to work. I'll just jump into this guy and see what happens. Interesting. Doesn't seem to work. Oh, I saw it. I saw it for a second there. You saw it, right? Right there, right? Oh no, that's a crate, huh? That's to dismantle the crates out there. Dang it, dang it, dang it. All right, guys, we're gonna jump off here. Appreciate you. Gotta go handle some stuff real quick.